Machine operators are an essential part of manufacturing and industrial processes. Their role involves the operation and maintenance of various types of machinery, including heavy-duty equipment, production lines, and computer-controlled systems. As we move towards a more technology-driven world, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, into the industrial sector has become more prevalent. In this video, we will explore how AI can help machine operators in 10 different ways. One of the significant benefits of AI is its ability to enhance precision and accuracy. By using machine learning algorithms, AI can learn from past data to make informed decisions, which can reduce errors and improve the overall quality of production. AI can analyze data in real time and detect potential equipment failures, allowing machine operators to take preventive measures to avoid costly downtime. AI can automate several tasks, including monitoring, data analysis, and machine optimization. This automation can help machine operators focus on critical tasks and improve overall efficiency. AI can monitor and identify unsafe working conditions, alerting machine operators to potential hazards before they cause accidents. AI can enable machine operators to monitor equipment remotely, reducing the need for on-site personnel and enhancing overall productivity. AI can process vast amounts of data in real time, providing machine operators with real-time insights into production processes, which can help identify and address issues quickly. AI can optimize production processes by identifying inefficiencies and making recommendations for improvement. AI can provide machine operators with data-driven insights, enabling them to make informed decisions and improve production processes. AI can analyze data to identify customer preferences and tailor production processes to meet their needs, improving overall customer satisfaction. By enhancing efficiency, reducing downtime, and optimizing production processes, AI can help lower operating costs for machine operators. In conclusion, the integration of AI into the industrial sector has numerous benefits for machine operators, ranging from increased efficiency to enhanced safety and lower operating costs. As we continue to develop and refine AI technology, its impact on the manufacturing and industrial sector is only set to increase.